Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Joe Metlow with Next Level Auto Detail. Right now we're getting ready to coat the Mustang behind me. The polishing is all done. In today's video I'm going to show you a cool little trick that you guys should be doing if you're using ceramic coating. So you guys know that I'm a big fan of Crystal Serum Light. I talk about it a lot in my videos. I also use Crystal Serum a lot. It's one of my most popular coatings that I install. However, as much as I love Crystal Serum Light, and I love me some Crystal Serum Light, it comes with this dropper. And the dropper is annoying for a lot of purposes. It's a lot more messy. You could apply excess material if you didn't eye it, because obviously if you're tired after a heavy day of paint correction, sometimes you kind of just feel it out and then you apply too much product, and that's not really good because you don't want the coating to cure in your pad, because that could cause problems and streaking further down on the install. So another bad thing about the dropper is that the coating, if you spill it, you're completely toast. Now, if you guys never spilled a ceramic coating bottle, I hope you never experience it. It's a very, very heartbreaking scenario. Not only did you lose money on the initial purchase price, but you also lost your profit margins. So not only did you lose your profit margins, you also burned your own money, and that's just a ouch. So how do we improve this? How do we improve the cleanliness, the efficiency? And the answer to that is on your C-Quartz bottle. With C-Quartz, it has this little dropper in it, and it kind of self-levels. So all you have to do is never throw your C-Quartz bottles away. Clean out your dropper with alcohol. You could let it sit, simmer, wash it with water, get your toothpicks, make sure it's clean. And you could use this for any ceramic coating that has a dropper that doesn't have this little self-level dropper. So this little dropper will completely make your coating install that much more efficient. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So all you have to do is pop it in your Crystal Serum Light and you're ready to go. Now we're gonna get the perfect amount of product every single time, and the best thing of all is you drop it, it's not going to spill. So that purpose alone is well worth it. And not only does it prevent it from spilling, we can now get the perfect amount of product every single time. So you're gonna be saving coating, it's going to be safer, you're not gonna be wasting any money, and you're never gonna be applying excess product. So the advantages to having this over this is just completely glaring. This beats it out in almost every single category. So let's get this thing coated. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. We have our Crystal Serum Light. This is an auto fiber saver, coating saver applicator pad. It's actually wrapped in plastic so the coating doesn't seep into the sponge, so it keeps it all on the face of the pad. So this is going to save us using excess product, and this dropper is going to be saving us excess product. So we're now going to be more efficient, we're going to be more clean, and we're going to make more money because we're not using as much product. See my dropper? This is a fresh pad. You see that? You can't apply too much if you wanted to. This is a new pad, so I do have to apply a little more. And just like that, we put the perfect amount of product because it's so slight. Every drop is so slight and exact. So it's extremely efficient. So we're gonna coat this area. And I'm happy I'm using Crystal Serum Light because this paint is a little more sensitive. And Crystal Serum doesn't give you a hard time to wipe off. So soft paint and Crystal Serum Light really work together well. So I know I'm gonna be perfectly fine during the removal process. A lot of product, so I'm going to stretch out a little bit because I have to prime the pad. All right. This is an Auto Fiber Elite Edgeless. I use these towels for everything. They do everything extraordinarily well. Coating removal, polish removal, sealant removal, deep, whatever it is, this thing does it all. It's a phenomenal talent. Nice, nice and slick. Love the way that feels. This is an Auto Fiber Mr. Everything 300 GSM short nap. Works great with removing and leveling ceramic coatings because it's a low nap towel. Nice. I hope you guys see the benefits of using this little self-level dropper. If you're not using this, I promise you that you're missing out. So I know a lot of ceramic coatings already come with this, but if you use a specific ceramic coating that doesn't have a self-level dropper, like Crystal Serum Light, and there's a lot of them out there like that, pop on this top and it will change the way that you install ceramic coatings. You guys already know that I love Crystal Serum Light, but Crystal Serum Light with this self-level dropper, it just makes it that much better. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do appreciate the tips, consider giving the video a like. It will help our channel grow. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed for our future content. And like always, I'll see you in the next one.